You know what you want. You have thought about it. Maybe even written it down, but you are still not doing it. And before you blame discipline or motivation, I want to show you something that is more uncomfortable. The problem isn't that you don't know what you want to do. The problem is that somewhere inside, you are actively resisting the life you say you want, and you don't have an idea that you are doing it. Here's the first reason this is happening. I call it identity lag. You have grown, your thinking has changed. You have read the books, had the conversation, done some of the inner work, but your decision and your daily choices are still running on an old version of you. Think about it like this. You upgrade your phone, but the apps are still set on old setting. The hardware changed. The software didn't catch up. That's you. You say you want to build something. You want to build a business, a skill, a life that actually means something. But when it is time for you to act, you default. You scroll. You agree to things that does not serve you. You shrink in rooms where you should actually be speaking, not because you are weak, but because your old version or the old version of you made the habits, and habits don't care about your new version. The old you was comfortable being invincible, was okay with settling, was convinced that playing it small was realistic, and you still making decisions from the old place. So the first question you should sit with is this: who am I actually making decision as? Is it the person I am becoming or the person I used to be? Before we continue, understand that this is a new channel, so endeavor to hit the subscribe button. That is the only way you can encourage us to do more. Let's continue. The second thing that is happening is what I called vision action mismatch, and this is especially brutal for strategic thinkers, which probably is you that is watching me right now. You are clear on where you want to go. You can articulate the vision. You can map it out, but your actual day don't match the vision at all. And most people try to fix this with motivation. They watch videos like this one, listen to podcasts, make a new plan. They try to feel more ready, but motivation isn't the gap. Friction is. Between your vision and your action, there is a layer of unexamined resistance. Systems that aren't built, systems that are not aligned, a schedule that was designed by everyone else's demand except yours. You are not lazy. You are not operating in a system that was designed to produce the outcome that you want. Here is the test. Look at your last 7 days. What did you actually spend your time on? Now compare that to your top 3 goals. If those two lists don't look similar, that's the mismatch. And no amount of motivation can fix a structural problem. You don't need more inspiration. What you need is to redesign your default. Now let us look at the number 3. That's the real cost. Here's what nobody talks about. The cost of this resistance isn't dramatic. It does not show up at once. It shows up in the low grade frustration you feel on Sunday night. The sense that you are moving but not forward. The way you scroll through someone else's progress and feel that quiet sting. That's not envy. That's information. That's your own life telling you something is misaligned. And the longer you ignore it, the more expensive it gets. Not just in time, but in identity, because every day you act against what you actually want, you are teaching yourself that your own desire don't matter, and that's hard to undo. So here is what I want you to actually do after watching this video. Write down one decision you have been delaying that the future version of yourself would make without hesitation. Not the same version, the real one. Then ask yourself this question: what actually is stopping me? Is the reason coming from who I am becoming or who I used to be? That's where the resistance lives, and that's where you start. Before you go, do well to hit the subscribe button. That's the only way to encourage us to do more. Do well to watch the video YouTube is showing you on your screen right now. Until I see you again, peace.